Today we're going to be making Chinese cabbage. You can start by slicing a piece off your cabbage, but the best way to get all the flavor from the sauce and spices into your cabbage is to actually tear the leaves apart rather than cutting them apart. The jagged edges of the ripped leaves will allow for more of the flavor to seep into the cabbage. For seasoning, we're going to use soy sauce, salt, chili peppers, sliced garlic, as well as black vinegar, and dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce will be optional. It's just for a little bit of taste and some more color. Make sure that the pan that you're using is large enough to fit all of the cabbage in its uncooked form. Start by adding a little bit of oil over medium to high heat. First, you'll add in your sliced garlic and then your chili peppers. And here Uncle Fred added some diced green onions that we hadn't planned to add before, so you can too, I guess. Give it a stir over the heat for a bit, and then carefully start adding your chopped cabbage. Once it's all piled in there, you'll want to put a lid on it and let it cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then we're going to pour in about 3/4 of a cup of dark vinegar. And we didn't get a pour shot of it, but trust me that this is about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Now stir this all up and let it cook for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, the last step is just to add a pinch or 2 of salt to taste. Cover it with a lid one more time and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Before removing it from the pan, make sure you give it a good stir just to make sure that the leaves get recoated with the vinegar and soy sauce mix in the bottom of the pan. From the cabbage boiling down, there is also going to be a lot of water in the sauce, so it's best to scoop the cabbage out of the dish so that you don't have it sitting in a bunch of watered down soy sauce once you plate it. Here we've plated it as part of a complete meal along with rice, spicy tofu, and Chinese salt and pepper shrimp. These dishes are all on our playlist, so please let us know if you've tried any of them and how they turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.